Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a requested drink for you. That's none other than the Cantarito. Oh my god, you guys. Back in the day when I just really got into drinking, I love this drink. It was very simple and easy. Just a couple of ingredients. Old time classic from Mexico. And I don't know why I didn't think about it before. Maybe because there's so many other recipes out there. But subscriber, thank you for commenting down below being, hey, create this Cantarito. It's a little bit different though. It's a little bit more intense than your usual one. A couple more ingredients. So if you're excited to find out how to make it, make sure you stay tuned. First things first, get both of your shakers, get your Blanco tequila right over here, pop that sucker open, get 2 ounces of it. You can be using reposado instead, but you know what? Fry's had it on sale, so I bought it. No, Fry's is not advertising me, but they should be. Follow it up by half an ounce of your Agave Nectar. This drink's already sweet, just half an ounce should be good enough. Bam. Then you're gonna follow it up with your orange liqueur. Again, half an ounce should be good enough, just to infuse those citrusy flavors. Delicious, amazing perfection. Bam. You can use oranges, Tangelos, anything you want. Using a Tangelo today. I'll use about 1 Tangelo completely. Just half a Tangelo. Then you're gonna follow it up by another citrusy thing, a whole lime. There you go, there's a half. That citrusy flavor. All right guys, now you're gonna need some ice. A couple ice cubes in there. Bam. And this is a step I like putting a little bit of Tajin just in there, sparkle just a little bit. And we're gonna go and start shaking. This side. I'm gonna bring my cup now, guys. Look at that. Ooh, now your typical Cantarito. All right, guys, after you got enough chamoy in there, get the Tajin over here, bro. Why struggle with this shit, guys? Boom, just put it right on there, guys. Perfect to make micheladas and all those Mexican drinks, or maybe other countries use it too, I don't know. There you go, look at that. Boom, perfect. All right, now we're gonna top this shit off with ice too. All the way to the top, you guys. You can never have too much ice. And I'm not talking about necklaces and gold or anything like that. Bam. Get your strainer. Pop your Sprite, your Squirt open. I was just drinking a Sprite earlier. Sorry, guys. Get that Squirt in there. Whee! Bam. Get your freaking lime garnish in there. Get your Tangelo in there. Right on the side like that. Get one of these right here. Esta madre, it's just secure. Te lo está robando, agárrenlo. You guys have it, guys. You can throw it like this, you can do it the other way. I'm just gonna throw it like this just so you guys can see the candy. There's no proper way of doing this. Maybe there is, maybe there's not. You always have to have one for yourself, guys. Just in case you're just craving it while you're making this drink. You never know. There is one step I'm missing, one thing. That's my straw, you guys, so I don't have it with me, but hey, I do got a little bit of magic. There you have it, nice metal straw. It's gonna taste even cooler, man, with that metallic. Oh, you guys, there's a little bit of Tajin hit my throat. Let's just top it right off. Sparkle even more Tajin so I can hit the back of your throat even more. Ooh, you can even dip the garnish in there, suck the juice right out of that freaking Tangelo or that lamb, whatever. Remember guys, if there's any drinks out there you want me to create, anything at all, any ideas you might have, even something of your own creation, like, hey, I thought about this drink, create it for me. I could, just drop it down in the comments down below. Remember, this is Alejandro The Mixologist. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.